What's up, y'all? It's Faye. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I hope you enjoyed the video and go back and watch other videos that I've created. As I said, my name is Faye. I like to ride motorcycles and document my journey considering I'm a new rider. I also like to share weekly vlogs with you all. I spend time with my family. I travel. I hang out with my best friend. I cook. I just do different things, and I like to share it with the world. So if that's what you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, join the team. But right now, we're about to ride and have us a good old time. We have clear blue skies today. The weather is perfect, so hubby and I could not resist jumping on the Harleys and going for a quick ride. We are headed to Chipotle to grab some lunch, and then we're going to head over to the gym and get a good workout in. Later, we'll be celebrating Harley's first birthday, so make sure you guys stay tuned and celebrate with us. So yeah, enjoy the video. It felt weird. I know that. I know. I'm just saying when I turned, it felt weird. I don't know if it was because of that.
I thought you were going to pull right here.
I would. But you know how that go. Alright, y'all. So we made it to Chipotle. Oh, somebody else is here on their motorcycle. So we gotta go in here and get something to eat before we head to the gym. It was so much traffic on the interstate. I hate that. I wanted to rip it, but today wasn't the day. And it's like almost 2 o'clock, so we should have known better. So yeah, we're about to go in here to Chipotle, get some food, and we're gonna head to the gym. So we'll see y'all in a minute. Hi. Can I get tacos? Soft shell?
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young enough.
Starting a new weekly vlog. Yesterday was Harley, that's Harley. Y'all know Harley. Harley's first birthday. He is my 1-year-old golden doodle puppy. His birthday was yesterday, March 30th. So we're about to take him out on the Atlanta beltline. Go check out this really cool puppy bakery and grab some lunch. And y'all know, gotta hang out with the bestie, Lisa. It's the birthday boy. It's the birthday boy. Hey, birthday boy. Hey, birthday boy. Hey, my birthday boy.
I love you too, Harley. Yes, look at you. You warming up to me. Oh, finally, I feel so lucky.
Oh, he was like,
it's okay. It's okay. Yes. You ready? Happy birthday, baby. It's your birthday.
it's his birthday.
It's your birthday.
Hey, 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 hey. Cry, 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 cry. Get it, hey. Oh. Harley, come on. We ain't even got started yet.
Oh, you can look good, girl.
He's so excited. He's like, oh my God, what is all this going on? I'm not used to it. He ain't never been outside. Hi. Not today, but I know where to find you.
Kind of.
Come on. Hi. No, you're fine. Oh, look. So cute. Let's see.
What about that one?
What is that?
Harder.
Oh.
Here.
What that?
What in the world?
You don't want anything?
I'm just so excited. I've never gotten him a chicken feet. What is that?
He does pig ears.
Oh, he's never had one with hair on it.
Oh, cow.
Cow ears. Wow. Oh, those are wings. Chicken wings.
Beef patty.
Mm.
Chicken wing or duck wing.
The turkey wings look like they might be a
This
hit.
one is all wrong. What is this one?
Is he okay to have chicken?
Yes.
Sit. What about that? We do that. Everything I give you. Is it
What
me?
in the
It's me.
world?
It's hard to get insulted, huh?
That is so weird. Because he's usually eating everything. I don't know. Kissy. Give me kissy.
Harley's like unlimited water.
I smell ice cream cones. Oh yes, having an ice cream. Say hi. Oh, so cute. Your dog is beautiful. That's a girl? Yeah.
Like nice
What is that? Wow.
Wow.
Very futuristic.
Very much so.
Potty, potty. Thank you.
Good boy.
All right.
You're gone. Go. Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
First time here?
It is my first time. I heard that the blackened salmon sandwich is
It
good.
is incredible. That's probably my favorite non-cheese steak.
Well, you're welcome.
Thank you. Look at that. This is mine.
I don't know. One has ranch.
Open it. Can you open it? It's mine. They look the same.
Yeah. No, I think it's the sauce.
Oh, the sauce. Yum.
Harley. Wait. Oh, Harley. Come on. Oh my God. Harley, wait a minute. Slow down. Sit. Okay. Wait a minute. You'll wait. All right, let's go. Good. Look at you.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. Last night me and Harley just got home. We chilled out, we relaxed. He was tired. He was not in the mood to really do anything. So walking on the beltline actually worked. It tired him out and he had a great day, a great birthday. We need to go over the things that I did get him from Woof. And this is the name of the store. It's called Woof. And I got him if you can see it, it says happy birthday. It's a cookie bone. Hopefully he'll like it. I know yesterday while we were in the pet supply store, Wolfgang, he didn't like any of the baked snacks that she provided for him, that she let him try. He was not feeling it. I don't know if he was just excited about just everything, all the people, all the other dogs, because he's never really been around other dogs like that. So he wasn't feeling it. She would try to feed him a treat and he was just like, no. And that's really just not like him. He usually gobbles up everything, even the milk bones that I buy for him. But one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Any smoked meat, he's a sucker for, okay? Smoked meats, pig ears, things like that, he's a sucker for. So I ended up getting him a smoked turkey wing and a smoked pig's foot. The turkey wing, I gave him half of it last night and he munched on that throughout the night. This morning when I looked in his kennel, it was completely gone. This is the other half, so he'll probably have this as a snack later in the week. And I also got him the smoked pig's foot. This right here is very hard. I think this might take him a couple of days, maybe even a week to gnaw through. But yeah, so these are two of the items that he got for his birthday. I have a few more things for him that have not come in the mail yet. But overall, Mr. Harley had a happy birthday. And thank you guys so much for watching the video and celebrating with us. Furthermore, I have a special announcement. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for Faye's announcement? I hope you're ready because I'm super excited. Y'all, I have started my own business. It's a travel agency. It's called Sweetpeachescapes. Sweetpeachescapes. Peach Escapes. Sweet Peach Escapes has a nice ring to it. So if you guys are looking to take a trip, a vacation, a business trip, whatever, any type of motorcycle events, out of state, local, wherever, and you need to book a hotel, travel, events, all of that, any of that, hit me up at sweetpeachescapes@gmail.com. Sweetpeachescapes@gmail.com. There's no reason for you all to do any of that hard work, searching and booking and trying to find the best price. Let Faye do it for you. I will take care of you. So that is my new venture. Please like it on Instagram, Sweet Peach Escapes. Send me an email if you're interested in booking anything, sweetpeachescapes@gmail.com. And let me find that great vacation or trip for you. I mean, it could be international, domestic, exotic, whatever you want, cruises, anything. Let me know what you're looking for and I'll find the best deal for you. Until next time, y'all, I love you all. And remember, I'm the road queen, I'm my road king. Peace out. Come here. Hello. Hey, baby. Hey. I got something for you. Okay.